If DaVinci Resolve is showing an unsupported GPU process error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fix step by step, and I'll also show you the best driver update tip at the end in case the problem still doesn't go away. This is a common issue when Resolve is using the wrong graphics card settings, outdated drivers, or automatic GPU detection that doesn't match your system properly. The good news is that you can usually solve it in just a few minutes by changing a couple of settings inside Resolve and then updating your graphics drivers if needed. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes and editing tips. It really helps the channel a lot. Now, let's get into it. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Once the program is open, go to the DaVinci Resolve menu in the top left corner of the screen and click Preferences. This is where all of the hardware and system-related settings are stored, so this is the right place to start. Inside the Preferences window, look across the top and click the System tab. Under System, you'll see a list of options on the left side. From that sidebar, select Memory and GPU. This section controls how Resolve detects and uses your graphics hardware, and it's usually where this error can be fixed. Now look for the GPU configuration area. Here, you'll see an auto box next to GPU selection. Uncheck that auto option so you can manually control which graphics card DaVinci Resolve uses. This is important because automatic detection can sometimes pick the wrong GPU, especially on laptops or systems with multiple graphics options. After turning off auto, make sure the correct graphics card is selected in the list below. If you're using a laptop with both integrated and dedicated graphics, choose the dedicated card, such as an Nvidia RTX card or an AMD Radeon card. That's usually the one you want for better performance and fewer compatibility problems. Next, go to GPU processing mode. You'll see another auto box there as well. Uncheck it and choose the correct mode manually. If you have an Nvidia card, select CUDA. If you have an AMD card, select opencl. Choosing the correct processing mode helps Resolve communicate properly with your GPU and can eliminate the unsupported GPU process error. Once those settings are adjusted, click Save at the bottom of the window. After that, close DaVinci Resolve completely and restart it so the hardware changes can take effect. This restart step is important because Resolve won't fully apply the new GPU settings until it launches again. If the error is still showing after that, the next thing you should do is update your graphics drivers. Open your web browser and go to the official website for your GPU manufacturer. That means Nvidia, AMD, or Intel, depending on what hardware your computer uses. Download the latest stable driver for your card and install it carefully. If you're using an Nvidia GPU, make sure you choose the Studio driver instead of the Game Ready driver. Studio drivers are specifically tested and validated for creative software like DaVinci Resolve, so they're often the better choice for editing, color grading, and post-production work. Once the driver installation is complete, restart your computer and open DaVinci Resolve again to check if the issue is resolved. In most cases, combining the manual GPU selection with the correct processing mode and updated drivers will fix the unsupported GPU process message. So to quickly recap, open Preferences, go to System, choose Memory and GPU, disable Auto for GPU selection, pick the correct GPU, set CUDA or opencl manually, save the changes, restart Resolve, and update your drivers if needed. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick DaVinci Resolve tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.